Before we sync other user, just I just remember that it's better to test everything, right? So user, as I said, my users, my cloud identities has Office 365 mailboxes. So as we have synced on-prem and merged them together or matched them together, once again, you may see this terminology a lot, merge and match. Merge or match the same thing. Soft merge, soft match, hard merge, hard match. You know, yeah, don't get confused with it. Eventually, it's like merging or matching those identities to make them unified or one single identity. Okay, so where I was, yeah, I was. Let's test the mailbox. Let's see, did this matching impacted my mailbox in any way or my Office 365 license? Well, to get check Office 365 license is pretty easy, right? You can always go to the console, and user one we have merged or matched, and license still there for Exchange Online. hmm Let's see, as far as the mailbox is concerned, I think I have in this client computer, that's for user two, I think. I think for here, I have an, okay, this one is for user two mailbox. I was accessing it over OVA, or sorry, not OVA, like a web-based mail for Office 365. Um, I think all we can check here. So user one looked like got signed out for a while. So and let's see, will those messages be there or it's all gone and it's a new, fresh, brand new start? No, messages are still there. Everything is still there. That's what my message is. It did ask me again, by the way. Let's see. Anyway, nothing to worry about. Okay, yep. So my messages seems to be here, and my messages, yep, all of them. And I have a message from user 2 as well. Sorry about the net speed. Net speed is absolutely pathetic at the moment. Okay, let's compose a new message. So new message to, just to see, I got my account got synced. Yes, I have my contents. Will I be having any difficulty sending emails? Well, technically shouldn't, but better to test it out, right? You want to do all your testing before you going back to your customer or a boss and say, yeah, I'm okay to do all this merging and all. Isn't it? It's just okay. I think I have to close the now browser and open it again. Fortunately, I don't have the full version of Outlook or Office installed here. So just to avoid everything, let me just close the whole lot of every stuff. Okay, let's open Microsoft Edge again. Come on. As you can see, it's not the mailbox slowness. I think you may have got an idea. It's an overall slowness to my internet connection at this moment. So who is winning? I think Biden at the moment. Okay, user one, yes. One thing though, just remember that if you do this merging, that time user may get logged off. They need to log back in. And don't forget, once merge happens, on-prem passwords override cloud password. So if on-prem password is 123456 and cloud user password was 654321, after this merging or matching, the the password will be 123456, which was the password or which is the password for on-prem users. So on-prem user passwords override cloud-based user password because we are syncing on-prem identities. Okay, so this time let's send a quick email to user 2 and 3 and IT admin. I wish I would have proper office. Okay, Edge is not one of my favorite browser anyway, but anyway, test message to all of you and say I survived the merge or matching soft and hard. And just to and send. Yes, it's delivered. And again, if you want to see in real time here, I switched to my another system where I logged in as user 2 and I get the message from user 1 that he survived merged or matching. All right. Um, Merge or match, it's you get the concept right. I sometimes have a tendency to call it merge, but most common term you find it matching, but matching merged is basically we are performing a merge, right? Two different identities becoming one. Okay, so email has been tested. So we are okay to change the synchronization scope. So jokes part, let's go to Azure AD Connect again. Configure, and this time what we need to configure? I think we need to configure synchronization option. Let's see. Yep. So we need to, I need to specify Azure Global Admin password again. All right. Righto. And this time, let's select users. Oh, not this one. Corp. Right. So even if I move those previous users from test to corp, they don't get deleted. Because if I choose Corp, by the way, you know how AD Connect works, right? If I remove test OU from the syncing scope, right, and don't move those accounts which are already here over here, and sync only these two, whatever in the test OU will get deleted. The cloud accounts will get deleted. At next sync, it say, okay, it will realize, okay, it will think that I don't want to sync those accounts which were here because I removed this OU from, you know, from syncing scope. So those accounts will get deleted. Okay, I don't want that. So that's why I'm not unselecting this. And let's say next. Keep everything as is. Lovely. And start the synchronization. We change the scope. So it means now we are syncing not only test OU, but also corp and users. And users means user 2 and user 3 will also get synced. Also, as I have both OUs in the application or syncing scope, I can move these users safely over here. Okay. So if I don't move these accounts, once again, not teaching you AD Connect, but we have discussed this already in the past, but just a reminder, if I don't sync this anymore and don't move these accounts, then these cloud accounts will get deleted. 1 and 4 will go to deleted items. It will think that I don't want to sync them anymore. So configuration is taking place, and once configuration is done, and it's done, somehow registration is it doesn't matter. Okay, okay. So while it's there, let's do one more delta sync. Oh, it's busy. It's already doing that. That's fine. We will wait. We will wait. We are very patient people, right? So we'll wait. Actually, not so man, so patient. So, uh, yeah, we are. So, mhm. Let's see what's happening. Right. Oh, yeah. See, it's in progress. So, yeah, let me just pause the video and I will resume uh, when it's done. Oh, okay. I was about to say it's done. I see 2 updates, 3 updates. Okay, let's see what's happening. So let's go to our IT Sense. Let's start with this anyway. Not very high hopes from this interface, but things can change, right? One, two, three, four. Hard to tell. What is it? What is it? Sync status. And as far as I know, or what we have seen, sync has completed. So let's go to Azure AD Connect. Oh, sorry, I'm keep saying Azure AD Connect. I mean Azure Active Directory Admin Center. Add users, and you can see user 1 directory synced, user 2 directory synced, user 3 directory synced, and user 4 directory synced. 1 and 2 we know already. We have done it before. Number 2, say source Windows Server 80. Lovely. Number 3, source Windows Server 80. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, beautiful. So we have done well, actually. So let's go back. And while these OUs is still in replication scope, let's move those lab rats back to their original place. hmm And if you want later on, you can run the AD connect setup again and just remove the test OU if you want to, or just keep it. Doesn't matter. It's an empty one. I usually prefer to keep one testing OU in my environment where I need to test few things just in case. But it depends what you want to do or achieve. So all good. So we have done this, right? And it was a success. Success. And we did this, and it was also success. And yes, of course, example was user 4, and we had no issues. And after that, one more thing, test to ensure that users can access and use their mail Office 365 mailboxes, Office 365 aka Exchange Online mailboxes after match. I'm about to say merge, my favorite word, but match. Here, match it is. So just to and reconfirm, we go to Azure AD Connect and open the web interface and see I got logged out. I sync user 2, I got logged out. So this will happen for sure. So better to do this when you are performing a merge, inform user that they may get affected, or do it after hours. Okay, so just to avoid all this hunky-dory, we start fresh, which is this, and office.com, and who am I? User 2. Perfect. So go to Outlook. Yep, my messages are there. Let's shoot a new one. So two, I would say user 1 and user 3 and my IT dearest admin. Okay, save. And oh, I choose my dearest one, so just give me a second. test, I also survive matching hard and soft, matching did not do any damage. And send. I didn't ask for a receipt because we can go to the client and here it is. Didn't do any damage. So mailbox is working as expected. The only thing user need to log off and log back in. They basically they get logged off. So keep this in mind. One another important point that global admin accounts don't get synced. So if user one, suppose, is a global admin in Office 365 or any sort of admin in Office 365, it, his account won't get synced. So user will be, oh, what happening? What's happening? What's the problem? Why it's not happening? Let's troubleshoot this, troubleshoot that. Nothing. All you have to do, create a cloud-based admin account, right? Remove yourself from admin role and sync, and it will sync. Okay. So nothing extraordinary needs to be done. Just few points you need to remember. So this is it, guys. I think I have covered everything. And once again, I would say thank you very much for watching. And please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries or assignments or anything you want to contact me for specialized training or whatever, you can reach me through my website at itsense.com. All right, take it easy.